Good morning. Good morning. First of all, I would like to say, I said good morning. What is good about this morning is, the good about this morning is, I'm standing at Pacific Golf Hills. This is one of the beautiful society in the whole Dehradun. You can see, I'll give a look of this particular society. This is one of the best society I have never seen in my life. This is one of the best society, right? What I'll do, we are selling properties over here. Last so many times we are in Dehradun, and I'll tell you, in this particular society I'm standing at 9-hole golf, right? 9-hole golf play, right? And just take a look of this particular, this hill, one of the beautiful state of a hill over here, right? Sir, just take a look of this F block. This is F block. This is F block. And at the back of this, E block. And one of the good thing is, this E and F block is with us. And can you imagine what is the rate of this E and F block? Exclusive rate is only with us. Only with this. I'll just tell you what is the rate of this per square foot rate we are going to sell this particular property, and what is going to be the rate of this particular property in future. I'll give another things to you. आगे future में इसका क्या rate जाएगा मैं आपको बताऊंगा. Imagine, you will not believe it, right? Just take a look of E and F block, sir. Right? और अभी मेरे जो ऑडियंस को दिखाइए ए ब्लॉक, सर दिखाइए ए ब्लॉक, देन टेक अ लुक ऑफ अ बी ब्लॉक, देन टेक अ लुक ऑफ सी ब्लॉक, देन टेक अ लुक ऑफ डी ब्लॉक. This is heaven. This is heaven. This is a dome. People are dying to live here. People are dying to live here because they know what is this property is all about. This is one of the best property in Dehradun, and the exclusive rates are with us, with only us. I give a guarantee of this. So come as soon as possible. My number is with you. My things are with you as soon as possible. E and F block. We are going to sell E and F block as soon as possible. And what is the appreciation? What is the living condition? How safe you are in this society? I'll let you know. If you want to know in detail, I'll give you in detail how safe this society is and how the beautiful society you can just see. You can just see. Just take a look of these pahadis, beautiful pahadis, hilly areas, beautiful. One cannot imagine life here. The life of your people, your own people, your kids, your lovely kids, your lovely parents, they'll enjoy the life here only. I give a guarantee to you. But the only thing is, you have to buy this property as soon as possible and as lesser prices. Prices are with us only because we have got very good hold in this property. So call us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.